Welcome to Tech Notice, guys. In this episode, I'm unboxing something pretty exciting. These are the Sennheiser IEM Wireless Monitoring System G4. So these just recently came out. So let's unbox these and see the new design of the Sennheiser G4 wireless in-ear live sound monitors. So this is the receiver plus 2 body bags. Let's open it. So this is quite exciting because, like I said, they haven't been out yet. So this is the generation 4. There used to be generation 3, which I have one body back over here. These used to be the generation 3 ones. Then these are now generation 4. So let's see what is inside the box. Okay, we have 2 sets of Sennheiser batteries. We have a bit of literature over here. I'll put this on the side here. Then we have the 2 body bags. So I have the G4 body bag over here, and then the G5 body bag over here. I mean G3 body bag over here, as if you can get a really close-up shot over here. On the right for you, for my left, is the G4, and this is the G3. So you can see there is a bit of a design difference. The screen goes a bit more round over here. Obviously this is the transmitter, not receiver, because the receiver will have like a volume button on the top here. So there is a bit of a design difference. On the side they look pretty much the same, then on the back they look pretty much the same as well. But let's open it up. Anything different on there? Yeah, it looks a little bit different over there. There is a escape and set over here. In here it's on and off and set over here. Just bear in mind this is a transmitter, not a receiver. This is a receiver transmitter, so they're a bit different, but you get the point, you know, because they usually look pretty similar. So there is a bit of a difference over here, but generally the shape and the actual size is exactly the same. So in the box there is 2 of these receivers, obviously. I'll put these on the side here. By the way, if you're wondering what all this other tech stuff is, then click on the video up there. If you click on the video up there, then you can find where I unbox all this and what all this is and why. Anyway, and then we have the antennas that are attached in the back of this receiver. Let's open this one up. Wow. Smells new. Smell it. Oh. Half of your face went into the frame, so you can get to the YouTube video as well. The actual LCD screen over here, you can see it's actually white. The generation 3 used to be orange backlit, so now this is white and kind of black, as you can see over here on the side. So this is the thing, this is the transmitter. Now there is also 2 sets of Sennheiser in-ears, little in-ears, which is cute that they give you this, you know, kind of little thing to go by. There's a bit different sizes ear buds as well, so if you can change them. But then there is a plate for the rack, obviously. This goes for the rack, and we have the power converters. Is there anything else in the box? Yes. There is something underneath here. So over here we have the power supply, which is, I don't need to show you this. This is just the power cord. And then over here, rack fixings on the side. Yep, and I'm right. So these are the rack fixings. Wait, there's something else in there. There is 3 pieces. These go on the side and this goes in the back, I think. No, this is the extension. If you have only one on the rack, you can still fix it in basically. So you've got 2 of these and 1 of these. And that's what's inside this Sennheiser IEM in-ear monitoring system. And that's what's inside. Thanks very much, guys, for watching this video. Hopefully you enjoyed this. Let me know in the comment section what's your thoughts on this. If you have any other questions, I'm happy to answer these. I'll meet you in the comment section below. If you're new here, consider subscribing because more videos like this are coming out every single week. Not just audio gear, video gear, other technology. So if you're into that kind of stuff, subscribe and we'll speak soon. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you soon. And you subs who are already subbed, boom, fist bump. Boom, fist bump. Thanks for watching, guys. See you soon. Bye.